Welcome back. We know there's a lot to discover about the United States, so today we're continuing our exploration with 20 more fascinating facts that you probably didn't know. From quirky laws to amazing historical trivia, this video is packed with interesting tidbits about the USA. Let's dive right in. Fact 1. The US has no official language. While English is the most commonly spoken, the country doesn't actually have a law that makes it the official language. Fact 2. Ever wondered why US bills are all the same size and color? Unlike many countries that use different colors and sizes for different denominations, US bills have kept the same design style for over a century. Fact 3. Every state has its own official motto, but did you know that Michigan's translates to "If you seek a pleasant peninsula, look about you"? Many state mottos are in Latin, like Virginia's Sic Semper Tyrannis, meaning "thus always to tyrants." Fact 4. The United States has had multiple national capitals. Before Washington, D.C. became the permanent capital, cities like New York and Philadelphia served as temporary capitals. Fact 5. The US-Canadian border is the longest international border in the world. Stretching over 5,500 miles, it has more than 100 official border crossings. Fact 6. There's only one place where you can stand in 4 US states at once. It's called the Four Corners Monument, where Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico meet. Fact 7. In New Jersey, it's illegal to pump your own gas. The state has a law that requires gas station attendants to fill up your car, one of the few places in the country with this rule. Fact 8. The US government owns about 28% of all land in the country, much of it in the form of national parks, forests, and wilderness areas. In some states, like Nevada, the federal government owns more than 80% of the land. Fact 9. The Pentagon, the headquarters of the U.S. Department of Defense, is the largest office building in the world. It has over 17 miles of hallways and houses about 26,000 employees. Fact 10. The United States Mint produces over 30 billion coins every year. That's enough coins to circle the Earth almost 4 times. Fact 11. Denali, located in Alaska, is the highest peak in North America. It stands at 20,310 feet tall, and its name was changed back to its native name, Denali, in 2015 after being called Mount McKinley for many years. Fact 12. Las Vegas, Nevada, is known as the entertainment capital of the world. But what's even more surprising is that more than 40 million people visit the city each year, most of them for reasons other than gambling. Fact 13. Alaska is both the westernmost and easternmost state in the U.S. Because the Aleutian Islands cross the 180th meridian, Alaska technically stretches into the eastern hemisphere. Fact 14. July 4th, America's Independence Day, wasn't actually the day the U.S. gained independence. The Continental Congress approved the Declaration of Independence on July 2, 1776, and it wasn't until July 4th that it was officially adopted. Fact 15. The U.S. is home to over 24,000 McDonald's restaurants, but the first fast food chain in the country wasn't McDonald's, it was White Castle, which opened in 1921. Fact 16. The United States has never had a king or queen, but it has held trials for impeachment. 3 U.S. presidents, Andrew Johnson, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump, have been impeached, though none were removed from office. Fact 17. Speaking of presidents, only one U.S. president has served more than 2 terms. Franklin D. Roosevelt was elected 4 times, and this led to the 22nd Amendment, which now limits presidents to 2 terms. Fact 18. Yellowstone National Park, located mostly in Wyoming, is home to about 500 geysers, including Old Faithful. It's part of the largest supervolcano on the continent, though it hasn't erupted for more than 600,000 years. Fact 19. Delaware is the second smallest state, but it was the very first to ratify the U.S. Constitution, earning its nickname, the First State. Fact 20. The Liberty Bell, located in Philadelphia, is famous for its large crack. But did you know that the crack worsened after an attempt to repair it? After a failed fix in the 19th century, it was decided to leave it as is. There you have it, 20 more fascinating facts about the USA. Whether you're interested in history, geography, or culture, the United States is full of surprises. If you enjoyed these facts, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with friends who love learning fun facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.